अमेरिका के सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने एक बार फिर कहा कि साल के आखिर तक हिंदुस्तान रूस के साथ तेल नहीं खरीदेगा। मीडिया की बातचीत के दौरान अमेरिकी सदर ने यूक्रेन जंग के तनाजुर में रूस के मौक़िफ़ को यहां पर नजदीक का निशाना बनाया, लेकिन इस बार भी उन्होंने फिर वही बात दोहराई कि हिंदुस्तान के वज़ीर आज़म ने रूस से तेल न खरीदने का तयक़ुन दिया है।
Well, I think I'll be talking to him about it. I think it's a little bit of a different talk. India, as you know, has told me they are stop. You know, it's a process. You can't just stop it. But by the end of the year, they'll be down to almost nothing. That's a big thing. There was almost 40% of the oil. India, they've been great. Spoke to Prime Minister Modi yesterday. They've been absolutely great. China's a little bit different. You know, they're a little bit different relationship they have with Russia. It was never good, but because of Biden and Obama, they got forced together. They should never have been forced together, but they're a little bit forced. But they're by nature, they're not. They can't be friendly. They can't be friendly. By nature. They can, I hope they are friendly, frankly, but they can't be. You should not have forced Russia and China together. And Biden did that, and Obama did that. They forced them together because of energy, because of oil, and so they are closer than they would normally be. I think I'll probably be talking about it. What I'll really be talking to him about is how do we end the war with Russia and Ukraine, whether it's through oil or energy or anything else. And I think he's going to be very receptive. He would now like to. I'm not sure that